It's turkey time around the corner, and I want to tell you how easy cooking a turkey is. It's all in a calculation. 15 minutes a pound to cook a turkey. This is a 12-pound turkey. So in this case, it's 3 hours. A lot of people like to stuff a turkey, but you overcook the turkey just to cook the stuffing on the inside. Cooking a turkey free of stuffing is the best way to get a very moist turkey. So earlier, I removed the wishbone, and that is the bone that goes around the breast. Now I'm going to remove the tail. Then we're going to baste our turkey with the olive oil. And we have to be generous also with our salt and pepper. And we're going to season also the breast side of the cavity. And this bird now goes into a 400-degree oven for about a half hour to give it a nice golden brown coating. Then we will turn it down to 350, and then we'll continue basting every 20 minutes. Now let me show you this basting technique. We're just basting over all of the skin parts. This keeps the breast nice and moist. What I do for my turkey dinner is I do a pecan chili gravy. And that is taking a traditional turkey gravy, but adding some pecans to it, and then adding a chili component, like anchovies adds a nice chili taste. For me, there's only one stuffing for turkey dinner, and that is tortilla stuffing. And that is made from a traditional stuffing, but we add tortilla soup and we add fried tortilla chips to it, which gives it such a great zing. Okay, we're getting close to our 3-hour mark on our 12-pound turkey. And I'm just gonna baste it heavily with tangerine and sage glaze. I like the little extra zing it gives the turkey skin. We have our perfectly cooked turkey with our tangerine sage glaze, and let's start to carve it. When you slice the breast off of the turkey, we slice it across the grain instead of with the grain, and we get a beautiful, tender piece of turkey. So I hope I showed you how easy it is to cook a turkey, and that we don't have to be scared about a big bird. It's all in the calculation of the numbers and how we season, how we baste, how we glaze. But let's see how it eats. So, that's a tender turkey. Nothing beats traditional style turkey. Let's cook it right, let's not overcook it, and remember, go bold with flavor.